Most women never start their online business because they think it has to be complicated with fancy websites, paid tools, and a huge following. The truth is, it doesn't. Let me show you how simple it can really be. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. You don't need 10 different products or services to start. Pick one simple offer that could be a digital product, a service, or even something you already know how to do. Focus on selling that one thing first. It's easier to market and it gives you clarity on what you're building. You also don't need a stack of paid software. Start with one tool that covers the basics. For me, that's System.io. It gives you a website, funnels, email, and even space for a course all in one. The goal here is not to collect apps, but to keep your setup lean so you can actually move forward without tech overwhelm. And finally, you don't have to be everywhere online. Choose one platform to show up consistently. If you like writing, maybe that's a blog. If you like video, YouTube could be your place. If you love connecting, start with Facebook. The key is to choose one and commit to it instead of spreading yourself thin across various different platforms. If you've been waiting until everything looks perfect, stop. Your business doesn't have to be complicated or expensive to start. Keep it simple. One offer, one tool, one platform. Done is better than perfect. And the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see real progress. If you want a behind the scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.